Okay, we're going to have the battle of the multimeters. I've got a D-cell battery with the wire coming off and got all of the negative leads hooked to there. So first up, we'll have the 1960s, late 50s, 60s vacuum tube voltmeter. 1.5 will be, well, shoot, let's see. Yeah, right there, 1.5 volts. 1.6, right in the middle, 1.6. Next, we'll go to the Simpson 1980s. It'll be right here, just above the 1.5. Let's see what she does. Oh, right about 1.65. Now we'll try the 1940s. See what she reads. The bottom red scale. Oh, about 1.7 looks like. And then we will try the modern digital, but this is a Harbor Freight, so it's not that accurate. 1.6. So they're all pretty close.